Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I will show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications, extend the list, and in here you'll find Do Not Disturb on one of the pages, which for me it's right over here. Now when doing this for the very first time, I do recommend holding the toggle. This will take you to the settings where you can just get a look at how it's set by default, and if something doesn't fit your needs, you can change it on the go here. So we have schedule right here. If you want, you can create new ones. As you can see, this will mean that Do Not Disturb mode turns on and off automatically based on the provided day of the week and time. Now below that we have calls and messages, so you can select who can call you and message you, which it looks like both of them are set to no one. We do also have a option right here, repeat callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will bypass whatever is selected right over here. And then we have also other interruptions from app notifications, alarms and sounds, and you can also hide notifications if you want to. Once you have gone through these settings right here and customize them to fit your needs, you can close this and you don't ever have to come back here again. And whenever you want to utilize your Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle, tap on it, and that's it, it's now running. Now when doing it the way I did right now, meaning just tapping on it manually to enable it, you do also want to keep in mind some kind of time frame to turn it off. Otherwise it will be running indefinitely in the background. And to turn it off, you just tap on it again. Now one more thing that you could do is in here, if you don't want to keep remembering to turn it off, you could select right here for how long, and for instance select it for 1 hour and then add for instance 8 hours as an example. I believe majority of you probably won't need Do Not Disturb mode running for 8 hours, so once you forget about it, after 8 hours it will turn off automatically. So there we go, and now we can again enable it and it will only run for those 8 hours. So in this case it should turn off at 12 a.m. and next day for me. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.